Good morning. It is pitch black outside. It is 6:43 a.m. and we are headed to Pilates. I started it recently. I'm going about 3 days a week. I woke up feeling sick, swollen glands, the whole deal, not feeling well, sore throat, but I'm trying to barrel through. I'm starting to take Zicam. I don't know if any of you have ever tried that before, because I want to try to shorten this cold or whatever it is I have, because I'm supposed to travel. In 2 days, I'm supposed to be headed to California, to Monterey and Big Sur with my husband. So yeah, got to pack. I did laundry yesterday, headed to Pilates first. I'm gonna try not to overdo it, but I'm gonna miss while I'm gone, so I kind of really wanted to get this one in. Anyway, let's go get our exercise on. Okay, we now have light, and I'm now getting Starbucks. I get myself something, maybe a green tea, I don't even know. Look how cute these gift cards are. Let it snow somewhere else. That's so cute. I love those. I got a Tango tea, lemonade, something, because I'm super thirsty. It seems strange to be in the snow and getting something cold, but hey, that's what I wanted. It sounded good. That's where Jenny McCarthy and Donnie Wahlberg got married. Well, that felt good. I liked it. That was great. I'm really enjoying Pilates. I have the unlimited pass for 3 months. I'm gonna give it a 3-month shot. I just want to strengthen. I want more strength because of my joint issues that I've had for many, many years. I feel like I need to strengthen the muscles around them, because when you have joint issues, you baby your knees, your elbows, you tend to sort of baby those things a little bit more because it hurts and you're worried about injuring them, but then the muscles around them get weaker. And so, yeah, here's the thing, everyone. I read this somewhere. Go out into the middle of a floor somewhere, sit down on the floor or lay down on the floor. That's even better, like on your back or whatever. And then get up from the middle of the floor without using your hands. Now that sounds like an easy thing to do, and for most people it is, but if you have any kind of age on you, or if you're overweight, or if you have any kind of like joint problems, muscle issues, whatever, it's harder than you think. So I'm able to do it. I can definitely do it, but I feel like I struggle more than I should. I mean, it's not like a big deal, but you know what I mean. But try it. It's not the easiest thing. You realize how much you use your arms and your hands to give you the strength for that. And I want to make sure that I'm stronger. That's my purpose for this. So I'm giving it a 3-month push and then see how I feel after that. But I'm gonna miss it for a week because I'm gonna be in California if I'm able to. I'm really fighting through this, trying to get, kind of kick this cold into something that's decent enough that I can fly without killing my eardrums. So anyway, our house is an absolute shambles. I just want to set my phone down. The bathroom project, it's going quite well. Things are happening, but the whole entire upstairs hallway is filled with construction stuff. It's just a mess. And then we're leaving for a week, so that's even more time that's just gonna stay a mess. So it's crazy. Everything's just absolutely crazy at my house right now. So things are nuts. But yeah, I wanted to share with you anyway. Let's go in. I just got back, as you know, from Pilates, and I'm at my desk right now trying to organize my life. I have one day I have today and tomorrow to get a whole bunch of stuff done, pack for California, and get more healthy. So I'm trying to organize what I need to get done today. And by the way, I will I'm sorry you're shaky. This desk is shaky. I'm trying to get together a planner video, but I'm just now getting some of the pieces and parts that I'm putting together in here. I got my month tabs now, so I had those put in. I just got those like yesterday, and a couple more things are coming so that I can just kind of get this more organized. And then once I do have it organized, I will show you guys what I do. It's nothing big. It's no big whoop. I'm not a planner person. It's just mostly to be able to write down what's going on in my life, so I don't forget things. Today I have some things I need to get to the post office. I finished the laundry yesterday, but I have some ironing to do and some cleaning to do, basically. I feel like there's something else. I'll figure it out. But I need to look at the weather for the Monterey Big Sur area to see what I need to pack. So that's what I'm doing now, just doing my morning emails and so forth. And yeah, so that's what's happening at the moment. It's only 9:05 in the morning, but I'm planning to make some chicken soup. I feel like that just would feel good to me, and it's cold outside, so I'm just taking some leftovers. This isn't like a recipe or anything that I normally have. I'm literally throwing it together as we speak. I'll let you know if it's good enough at the end, but I'll just show you sort of what I'm doing. I'm literally just chunking up things, some veggies, some leftover rotisserie chicken, and some chicken stock, and making a soup out of it. Well, let's do that. Sounds good. That whole process, start to finish, took about 25 to 30 minutes. And it's like the soup has been on the stove all day. It's so good. It'll feel good on my throat too, I hope. We are now going to the post office and the UPS store. I've got some stuff to mail away. Oh my gosh, there was a guy that was off the road completely just now, and his door was open, and I pulled up and I just stopped on the road and I said, do you need me to call for help or anything? And he said, no, I just called a friend. And I said, you're okay? And he said, yeah. So someone's coming, but he's completely in a ditch and off the road. Woo! Winter weather. Hey, look at this. It is icy. The whole car's just covered in ice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is part of the bathroom project. The shower's all torn out. We replaced the tub already. That's a new tub. It's more of a soaking tub, which is nice. It's deeper. Had to rewire stuff. There's going to be a rain shower and all sorts of stuff there. We've got a little indent thing. The floor's a mess, torn up. We're gonna tear out all the tile, change the toilet, change everything. Change these, there's 2 of them. Change the paint color, it's all gonna change, but it's a project and the place is a mess. So that's it. That's what's going on around here today. Tomorrow I'm going to be packing. I'll do a little bit today after I finish some more laundry and so forth. It's supposed to be really nice in Monterey and Big Sur for the next bit, so I'm glad about that. And it should just be a nice time, relaxing and so forth. And I gotta go get cleaned up, so anyway. Thanks for joining me, guys. I love having you with me. I'll talk to you soon.